Hello, in this question we're going to consider question number 6 of November paper 2025, Analysis and Approaches Standard Level. Past paper, paper 1 without calculator. This is question for 5 marks and containing logarithms. Probably we will need the properties of logarithms, one of these rules that I listed below. So first of all, you have to pay attention that this is a different bases represented, right? To solve this equation, we have to have same base. That is why let's use the change the base formula and let's make all the logarithms same base. Easier to make logarithm base 8 as a base 4 using the change the base formula. So how it looks like: 3 logarithm 10x divided by logarithm 8. So this is how change the base formula used here. So this formula, right? And now we can choose any base we wish, yeah? So let's use the base of 4. Yeah, base of 4. Now all the bases will be the same. Okay, and now minus logarithm x base 4 equals to 1. Now let's continue solve this question. Okay, so what to do next? So here we have to know that it is equal to what? It's logarithm 8 divided by logarithm 4 base 2. And now we know that it is 3 and this is 2. Okay, so now it is 3 over 2. Let's write it here: 10x base 4, and this is 3 divided by 2 minus logarithm x base 4. Okay, now let's simplify. So we will have, it is again 3 over 4 over 2, yeah, and it's 3 times 2 over 3 logarithm 10x base 4. And now let's reduce the fraction, and now this 2 comes using the power rule. So we will use the power rule here to, so we actually use this property from the right to the left. Okay, so this 2 comes as a power, so logarithm 10x squared now base 4 minus logarithm x base 4 is equal to 1. And now let's use the property of division. Now we divide. So again we use this property from the right to the left. Alright, so logarithm 10x squared divided by x base 4 equals to 1. And now let's use the property of logarithms, actually definition of logarithm, yeah? So 10x squared over x equals to 4. Okay, 4 in power 1, it's definition of logarithm. And now 100x squared over x is equal to 4. So we have 100x is equal to 4. It's 4 over 100. Okay, or 1 over 25. In my another video you will find the solution of this same question, but this solution quite longer. This solution is shorter. That's why in my channel you will have these 2 questions, 2 solutions of the same question. Have a nice day. Hope this video was useful for you. Subscribe and see you in the next video.